Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about as a weekly recap last week trades taken using my CTS alarm. So let's get it started. Here the week started on the 9th October the 9th was Sunday evening. The market opened up and the first trade was a EUR-AUD 20-minute chart. From 20-minute chart on the left hand side, you can see my entry, the yellow mark. This is buy entry and SL move to break even plus 5 pip, 5-6, and this is the setup, right? So this is the first one. Then next, let's go. And this is on the 9th October, pound Aussie. Again, buy order here for 70 pip. Here on the 9th, Aussie yen to the downside, 65 pips, sell order here. And here, pound yen on the 10th, dollar trades on 10th. This is a sell order all the way down 65. Small trades, but it's a lot of them. On the 10th, this is again pound USD for 50 pip here. And the sell order, and this is euro yen, 20-minute chart, 50 pip, sell order here on the 10th. And also on the 10th, euro Aussie going long from here, 80 pip, buy order here. And you can see on the 10th, 95 pip of this USD CAD, buy order here, SL move to break even plus. On the 10th, pound Aussie, also beautiful by the book setup, and went up for 70 pip, buy order here. Now on 11th, pound USD, the long side, 90 pip, buy, and it's on the 11th, pound yen, buy for 110 pip right here. And this one on the 12th, pound yen again for 120 pip, beautiful trade all the way. And this is euro yen, the long side for 70 pip on the 12th, buy order here. Every single trade is by the book, by the alarm beeping at the setup, my Magic AV setup. This one here, 105 pip, going to the long side, buy order here. And this is on the 13th, only one trade. Usually, it's like Thursday evening or Friday, things start dying out. I don't like to trade those days. So this is how it is. Almost like 13, 14 trades last week. And this is how my CTM alarm and my system works. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, learn how to trade like this, go on my website. This is creativetradingsystems.com. Subscribe and start trading like we do here. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading week.